In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse and find channels in Slack using the channel browser. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. From your main Slack window, look at the list of channels on the left-hand side of your screen. We're starting from an existing channel. Go ahead and click into any channel you already have access to. This can be a general channel your team uses or any other channel you see in that sidebar. The key thing is that you're inside a channel view, not in your direct messages. Once you're in a channel, move your attention to the left sidebar where all your channels are listed. Near the top of that section, you'll see an option that's highlighted in the guide. This is typically the area that lets you explore more channels in your workspace. Click on that highlighted area to open up more options related to channels. After clicking, you'll see a small menu appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Browse Channels. This is the built-in Slack feature that lets you discover public channels you're not currently in. Go ahead and click on Browse Channels. If you don't see it right away, check for wording like Channel Browser in that same spot. Slack sometimes updates the wording, but the function is the same. When the channel browser opens, you'll see a larger window or panel appear, showing a list of channels available in your workspace. At the top of this panel, there's another highlighted area. This is the search or filter field. Click on that highlighted field to place your cursor there. This is where you can type in the name or topic of the channel you're looking for. With your cursor active in the search field, start typing. Enter part of the channel name, a keyword, or a subject you're interested in, such as marketing or support. As you type, Slack will filter the list of channels in real time, showing only the ones that match your search. Take a moment to glance through the results, and when you see the channel you want, you can click on it to view more details or join, depending on your permissions. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to move from a regular channel view into the channel browser and how to use the search field to quickly find the channels you need inside Slack.